Go for launch.
Stage 2 is pressing for flight.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Stage 1, pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Ignition, liftoff.
Vehicle pitching down range. Power and telemetry normal. For those of you just joining us, you are watching a live view of the Falcon 9 rocket as it ascends through the atmosphere carrying SpaceX Dragon 2 capsule. The vehicle just passed through Max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. As you can hear in the background, the excitement at SpaceX headquarters is unbelievable here.
Stage 1 throttle is passing through Max Q.
You heard that call out from Max Q on the nets. The Falcon 9 actually throttled down its 9 Merlin engines to reduce aerodynamic loads on the vehicle. It is now throttling those engines back up. Coming up at T plus 2 minutes and 35 seconds is going to be the events in quick succession. The first one is going to be the main engine cutoff, or MECO. That's when the 9 Merlin 1D engines that you can see on your screen right now will cut off shortly before a stage separation at 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Shortly after that, the Merlin vacuum engine on the bottom of the second stage of the Falcon 9 will ignite in what we call second engine start, or SES. That'll be at 2 minutes and 46 seconds. So stand by for main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start. Coming up in just about 20 seconds from now. As you can hear from the cheering here at SpaceX headquarters, we did have a successful main engine cutoff, the stage separation, and as you can see on the right-hand side of your screen, that second stage engine is currently started and accelerating Dragon towards orbit. On the left-hand side of your screen, that is a view from the first stage as it makes its way back down towards the Earth. Let's go down to Lauren and Dan for updates on that first stage recovery.
Alright, so as you can just see, we flipped it off. We had an awesome stage 1, and stage 2 is burning beautifully. Stage 1 also has a secondary mission that is performing right now, ready to come back to the land. So stage 1 is going to execute 2 burns before landing on the drone. The first is the engine burn start, which is starting at T plus 7 minutes and 48 seconds approximately. That's where 3 of the M1D engines will reignite. And what that burn does is it slows down stage 1 and introduces upper parts of the Earth's atmosphere. If we didn't do that aerodynamic reheating, the aeroheating would heat up stage 1 and it would potentially break it apart. So we got to slow it down. From there, stage one is going to coast its way back down using those grid fins to help steer it, and then it'll execute the landing burn. That's going to happen at 9 minutes and 20 seconds. That's where we're going to reignite that center E9 engine to hopefully bring stage one down to a beautiful stop right on the friendship.
That's
right.
right. And while all that's happening, the second stage, you can see glowing bright here, continuing to power Dragon. It's going to continue burning until just about 9 minutes after launch. So 8 minutes and 59 seconds is where it's targeted to cut off. Down to a single engine, but that one providing a little over 200,000 pounds of thrust to carry Dragon through the upper parts of Earth's atmosphere. Not as much resistance to fight against once you're up this high. And it's going to get Dragon into that initial orbit, and it's still going to be a couple hundred kilometers beneath the station. And then it'll be turned over to thrusters on Dragon once it separates from that second stage to then begin the chase down of the orbiting laboratory. But 5 minutes, 11 seconds, and counting past launch. All the calls so far indicating nominal performance. So we're continuing to see great stuff so far from both both stages of Falcon 9.
Okay, we're hearing that INVAC is performing nominally. It's looking good on power. Temperatures are good. Stage one continues to come back nominally. Over there on the left on your screen, you see that picture of Ripley and the zero-G indicator.
That's right. Keep an